Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hoop app. So this is going to be a super easy tutorial. You'll just need to follow the steps. The first thing you need to do is to basically download the Hoop app and open the app once it's ready. You will then need to log into your Snapchat account, and on the main screen you will see different icons. So you will need to tap the Snapchat icon, which is on the bottom right, to spend 10 diamonds and ask someone for their Snapchat. You will then use the cross icon on the left to skip, and use the star icon to ultra like someone. The flash request bottom right sends a request to get someone's snap. So your profile icon is on the top left. You will tap the gear icon on the top right for additional settings. So basically that's it. Super easy app to use. You will also get used to it once you download it and start using it. Make sure that the app is up to date when you start using it for you to not face any issues. To make sure that it is up to date, you can go to the App Store, search for the app and see if there is an update option. If there is, just click on it, and once it's done, just open the app and discover the app and start using it.